My name is Joe McCollum and I teach the biomedical science courses here at University High School. We don't stand up there and lecture. We're throwing out a question or a problem that they're going to try to solve, and then they're working either independently or in groups to solve that problem and come up with the answers themselves. On day one, I'm giving them a heart and saying, tell me how this works.
Even if it's as minimal as just a Zoom call, which has become a huge thing, computer science is used in every aspect of life. In my computer science classes, I never hear, when are we going to use this? Once you get the kind of basics of computer science, the thinking, you can really bounce around from language to language.
We're doing a lot of the anatomy on the computer, so we've got access to these pretty cool things where they're 3D models of the human body. That has been a really cool tool and resource for the students to kind of be able to use at home.
But we've had students that I had in math class that have gone into programming and work at Amazon and Google. I don't want you to go into computer science. I want you to go major in biology, major in agriculture, major in music, and then use computer science as a tool in that field.
The biomedical courses do use a lot of equipment. Without that community support, there'd be no way that we'd have the ability to have that technology or even the support to run that kind of program.